Here's a pair of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a TCL Smart TV via Bluetooth. First thing is let's put these earbuds in a pairing mode. We'll know that these are in pairing mode when the light here is blinking three colors: blue, red, green, blue, red, green. Okay, so buds are in the case. Let me open this up and let me see if it goes into pairing mode with those three colors. Okay, it doesn't work for me. I get a solid green light and then it turns off. So in order for me to put this in pairing mode, let me manually put this in pairing mode. If I look on the back here, I have a little button here. I'm going to press and hold for like 5 seconds or so until it starts blinking those three colors. Okay, so button here, ready, press and hold, and just wait. Still holding. Wait. Okay, blue, red, green, blue, red, green. There it is. So now it's in pairing mode. Now we're going to go ahead and shoot over to our TCL TV, and you want to go directly to your settings. You can go click on the settings button on your remote. If not, you can just navigate to the home page and just go to the gear icon on the top right hand side. Right there. Select that. From here, we're going to go down to remotes and accessories. Right there. Let's select that. And now you can see I have other headphones and earbuds that's paired to this TV, but we're going to go ahead and pair and connect these ones right now. So we're going to tap on Add Accessory. Okay, we're going to go with OK because it's already in pairing mode. It's still blinking those three colors, so it's in pairing mode. So now this line searching through here is searching for device that's in pairing mode that is near me, which is about 30 feet Bluetooth range. And it just found it. That took too long. Okay, there we go again. Galaxy, go ahead and highlight it. Okay, it says pairing. I should get a pairing request. Highlight pair. Click OK. And then we should connect them. Oh, looks like we just connected. And it says paired right there. And if you look on the very bottom there, Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, we are connected. There you go. Pretty simple. Questions or issues, just comment below.